You can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world, you can beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door. You can beat the clock, you can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you can find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame. Hey, and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you heard with the promised rain. And the world's gonna know your name, your name. You'll be on the walls of the hub. You can go the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile. You can be a hero, you can get the gold. Breaking all the records that don't ever could be broke. Do it for your people, do it for your pride. Never gonna know if you never even try. Do it for your country, do it for your